So then after you've 3D printed the base and you have the load cells and you've chased them through the holes onto the backside for the wire chases, we want to wire them together, and the white wires get wired together with E minus and A plus, and then wire the white wires of the A minus and the E plus together. And then the black wires for the E plus and the A plus get wired together, and the black wires for the A minus and the E minus get wired together. And that's going to help form our Wheatstone bridge that's going to then send the data back to the HX711. And the readings get sent back through these red wires. I just took some of these existing plug-in wires and cut the ends and soldered it to the end of the red wire, and then wired them back to the HX711 based on my labeled load cells. Then we just need to do some cable management. So after you've chased the wires on the back side, we're going to wire them into the HX711. You can kind of see here that they are labeled E plus, E minus, A plus, and we won't use the B minus or the B plus. And so depending on which wire is coming off of which load cell of those red wires, that's where we're going to wire them in. And then we need to have our VCC, SCK, our DT, and our GND. We're going to wire those back to the Arduino. So the ground can get wired back to the GND terminal on the Mega. Put it right there. The DT is going to be wired back to pin number 40, and the SCK is going to be wired back to pin number 43. And lastly, the VCC, the voltage, is the 5-volt pin on the back side of the Mega. So once made those connections, we can plug it into the computer and begin the calibration procedure. Okay, now we want to flash the calibration program to the Arduino and calibrate it. So we've got our board, which is all set up on top of our load cells. Then we're going to plug in the Arduino to the laptop. Okay, now we're going to flash the program. We're going to open the serial monitor, and then we're going to, this will be starting up. Great, so then it asks you to put the weight on, so we will put the weight on. I've got a 5-pound weight. And then we're going to enter into the serial monitor the weight of it, which is 2,267 grams, 2,267 grams. Then it will give us back a calculated calibration value, and you can save it to the EEPROM or not. We'll hit no. My value turned out to be 0 because I've previously calibrated the load cell. And then after we have our calibration value, we're going to go to the program, and we're going to input that value. I scroll down to where all the variables are called out, we'll see this number right here. This was the number that I got when I previously calibrated it with the 5-pound weight, 10,667. So just enter your number into that, and then we are ready to flash the program to the Arduino. So the TFT load cell interface, we're going to upload that.